What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to download and install the Netflix app on your Windows PC. Having the Netflix app installed on your computer is a convenient way to access your favorite shows and movies without needing to use a web browser. The app offers an optimized experience, quick access, and additional features like offline downloads. To start, we'll use the Microsoft Store, which is the official app store for Windows devices. In your Start menu, search for Microsoft Store and hit Enter. Once the Microsoft Store opens, you will see a homepage with a variety of apps, games, and recommendations. If Netflix doesn't appear immediately in the Featured or Top Apps section, you can use the search bar at the top right corner of the Microsoft Store. Type Netflix into the search bar and press Enter. From the search results, locate and click on the Netflix app to open its dedicated page. On the app page, you will find details about the app, including a description, features, and reviews. To begin the download process, click on the Install button. If you are not logged into your Microsoft account, you may be prompted to sign in to proceed with the installation. The download should begin immediately. The Netflix app is relatively small, so it won't take long to download and install. Once the installation is complete, the Install button will change to an Open button. Click Open to launch the Netflix app for the first time. When the Netflix app opens, you'll be greeted with the sign-in page. In the top right corner, click on the Sign In button. Enter your Netflix credentials, such as your email address and password, and click Sign In again to access your account. Once signed in, you will see your profiles displayed. Select your profile to start watching content. The app is fully functional and you can navigate through your library, search for shows, or explore recommendations just like on the web version. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.